Hello, and thank you for joining me for another home exercise bodyweight workout. Today I'm going to do a back exercise in this video. And I'm going to use this chair to do a back exercise. I'm going to do a close grip behind my back, which targets a different area of the back. You can do different grips. You can do a wider grip, wider than shoulder. You can do shoulder, and you can do a close grip. With the close grip or close hand position, you do have to be a little more aware of your balance because you don't want to fall over. It's much easier to fall over when you're doing a close hand position. All right, so without further ado, let's move into position here. So basically what I'm going to do is just toss my legs out in front of me, like so. And again, close grip, so my hands are basically together. So you have to be a little more aware of your hand positioning. Okay, and just look up at the ceiling as you're doing them. Okay. Up at the ceiling. And it's actually quite challenging because you really have to focus on balancing yourself well as you're doing them. Breathe normally. Oh, God. Yeah, they are quite challenging. So just, you will feel your back right away when you're doing these, okay? So just be aware of that, and just keep going. Do as many as you can with the close hand position. All right, so let's get started again. Just make sure your hands are about in the middle of the chair as you're doing them. And it's easy to do this at home. Look up at the ceiling, all the way down, or as down as far as you can go. Breathe normally. Look up at the ceiling. When you look up at the ceiling, it gives you a little, it makes it a little more challenging, okay, as you're doing the exercise. And challenge, you want to make the exercises more challenging in bodyweight workouts. That's key. Just try to make them more challenging, okay? All right, so anyway, all right, let's move into position again. Stick your feet out as far as you can. Make it as challenging as you can. Okay. And you will find that this gets, quite difficult with the close hand position. Close grip, close hand position. Whew. Okay, and just keep going. Keep going, keep going. Just, stop in between just enough to catch your breath and give your muscles a break. All right, and up. Yeah. Okay. All right. And yeah. You will start to feel that one after a while. And we can mix it up with a little wall exercise too. A little add-on exercise. Okay. So just keep going as you can. And this really only takes a couple minutes to do. Yeah, you will reach multiple fail points quite quickly, especially with the close hand position, the close grip. Man, you reach fail quickly, which is good. It shows that it's a difficult exercise. It's quite difficult. All right, so let's go one more time. Hands together. Yeah, you reach fail pretty quickly. All right, so I'm just going to give it a quick flex. And, to tear the muscles a little bit more, to rip the muscles a little bit more and tear. 20-30 seconds is usually about all you need. So give your muscles a little bit of that extra rip, a little bit of that extra tear there. And try not to shake as you're doing it. Sometimes it's hard because your muscles are like contracting at the same time. The muscles are freaking out and contracting because you're working hard. Hopefully you're working hard. All right, and just flex them for a little bit. Give it a little bit of that extra tear in there. All right, let's go back here. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, and every was quite a quick multiple fail point there. All right, so I'm gonna switch it up, and I'm gonna do another quick flex. Just a tear one more time, and yeah, you reach fail pretty quickly with the close grip. It's really challenging. It's really challenging. All right, so do another quick flex, and then I'll move the chair over here. All right, and then move the chair over here to this position. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a close grip here and do a little bit additional exercise. Just be careful the chair doesn't fall over, you know, as you're doing it. So this is just targeting the back from a different position. Okay, again, just be careful to balance. I'm doing a close grip again. And this is an add-on. Targeting the muscle from a much higher angle. Okay. Whew. And that is, that's a bit challenging. So this is a great add-on. It's from a different angle, targeting your back muscles from a different area. And you know, just do as many as you can. It's easy to do this with an ordinary chair. Just make sure it's fairly sturdy, not one of those plastic chairs or one of those fold-up chairs or something, because that could be a little dangerous if it falls over. You know, you have all your body weight on it, and then suddenly it collapses or something. One of those plastic chairs, you know. Certainly don't make chairs the way they used to. You know, my grandmother's chairs, wow. You know, you practically, you know, do a dance on those and nothing would happen. All right, so another position. Just be careful of your balance again. Again, look up at the ceiling. When you look up at the ceiling, it makes it a bit more challenging. Okay, and I'm starting to reach a fail point already. Like the first one was okay, but I'm already starting to reach another fail point. All right. And with this one, you know, it's just targeting the muscle from a different area. So let's keep going again. Just look up at the ceiling. And it's a very good back exercise. Oh, okay. And I'll just do a couple more. This is, you know, giving my back a little, an additional workout and, you know, targeting a different area of the muscle, the back muscle. Okay, just one more time. Again, close grip, looking up at the ceiling. Be careful, be aware of your balance. Very close grip. Okay. Whew. Do another quick flex. Yeah, so if you do the quick flex, it's just again tearing the muscle a little bit. 20 seconds is okay. You can do it 30 seconds or longer, but 20 seconds is usually, I find, is fine. All right, let's go one more time. You don't have to go to absolute fail every time, but okay. Whew, there it goes. All right, so anyway, that's the back exercise using an ordinary chair. Did it from this angle for the main exercise. You can do this one as the main one and do this one as an add-on, the lower angle also. But in this exercise, I did it the opposite way. So I did this one first as the main exercise, and then this one as an add-on. You can vary it up, you can mix it up according to your own personal preferences. You know, it's up to you. With the body weight workouts, there's so much variation. You know, you can vary the angles. You can you know, vary your body position. You can stretch your legs out further or closer or what have you. And there's so much variation, so many different things you can do. Anyway, well, thank you for joining me again for the video. And I hope you continue to work out and continue to try to be your best at home conveniently and get a great workout at the same time in a very short amount of time. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time in the next video.